Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to graph a system of inequalities. So right here we have our two inequalities. We have y is greater than or equal to x minus 8, and we have y is less than 5 minus x. So I'm going to first start by simply individually graphing these two inequalities. So let's first start with y is greater than or equal to x minus 8. So we first start at our y-intercept here, which is negative 8. So I'm going to go 8 down. And I'm going to put a point right there. And our slope here is m is equal to 1 over 1. Because as you can see, the coefficient in front of x is 1. So I'm going to go up 1 and to the right by 1, up 1 and to the right by 1, 1 to the right by 1. And because this is a greater than or equal to sign, the line will not be dotted, it would be a straight line. So it would be something like this. So now I'm going to go ahead and graph y is less than 5 minus x. And I'm going to first rewrite this into y is less than negative x plus 5 to make it easier to graph. So now our our y-intercept here is positive 5, so I'm going to go up by 5, put a point there, and our slope is negative 1 over 1. So we can either go up 1 and to the left by 1 or down 1 and to the right by 1. So let's first start by going up 1 and to the left by 1. And we can also go down 1 and to the right by 1. And because this is a less than sign and it doesn't have an equal to sign, this will be a dotted line. So now we got to go ahead and start shading. So for an inequality y is less than or equal to x minus 8, we need to figure out which side to shade. So we need to check by plugging in the origin 0, 0. So we would have 0 is less than or equal to 0 minus 8. 0 minus 8 is negative 8, so we have 0 is less than or equal to negative 8. And 0 is greater than or equal to negative 8, so this is right, meaning we would shade this side. So I'm going to go ahead and shade with blue for y is greater than or equal to x minus 8. So shade this side of the graph. Now for y is less than 5 minus x, let's go ahead and plug in the origin. We have 0 is less than 5 minus 0, then 0 is less than 5, and this is right as well. Meaning we would shade this side, the side with the origin. So this time I'm going to shade with red. So and as you can see, this part right here, this part of our graph is where both solutions connect. So we would actually shade this part of our graph, because this is the part of the system of solutions. This is the solutions to these where both inequalities have a solution. So that's how you graph a system of inequalities.